Good morning children. Today we will start next topic of chapter 2, classification of angles. Children, in your previous video I have taught you what are angles. Now here we have different types of angles. This is the 0 degree angle. Okay, now acute angle. Now angle between 0 degree to 90 degree is acute angle. This is acute angle जो 90 degree से कम होता है. Okay, that is acute angle. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. An obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Straight angle is 180 degree. So this is 180 degree. And reflex angle, an angle greater than 180 degree. So more than 180 degree, this is reflex angle. Exercise 3, identify the angles as acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex or complete without measuring them. Children, these are the angles given and you have to write which angle it is. Now children, you have to see this symbol and you have to see the angle also. This is more than 90 degree, so this is obtuse angle. Now see the symbol and see the angle. So this is less than 90 degree, so this is acute angle. Now this is 90 degree angle, so it is right angle. Now see the symbol and see the angle. This is the straight angle, 180 degree angle, this is straight angle. See this symbol, so it is more than 180 degree, so this is reflex angle. Now similarly you are going to do these sums. This is also more than 180 degree, so this is reflex angle. Now children, here is that 0 degree, okay, and this is 90 degree and this is more than 90 degree, so this is obtuse angle. This is also 0 degree and this is less than 90 degree, so this is acute angle. This is right angle. See the symbol, this is the complete angle. Okay, 360 degree, this is complete angle. And here we don't have any symbol and it is straight line, so this is 0 degree angle. And here children, see the way we have drawn, but the symbol is this. So this is obtuse angle. It is not reflex angle, this is obtuse angle. You have to see the symbol also. ये symbol है obtuse angle का. And this is acute angle symbol. अगर हम घूम के आते तो reflex angle होता, लेकिन हमने यहाँ पर symbol अंदर बनाया है, ये less than 90 degree है, तो इसलिए है acute angle. Classify the angles as acute, obtuse, straight, reflex, 0, right or complete using their measures. Now children, as these measures are given to you, you have to write the name of the angles. Now 26, so you have to see it is less than 90 degree. तो जो 90 degree से कम होता है वो होता है acute angle. This is 360 degree, जो 360 degree वाला angle होता है that is complete angle. 210, 180 से ज़्यादा है तो ये है reflex angle. 124, more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, so this is obtuse angle. 49 degree, so this is less than 90 degree, so this is acute angle. Similarly, you are going to do these questions. Number 3, what kind of angle is formed between the following directions? Now children, see north and east, this is the direction, and north and east, this is north and this is east. तो ये कौन सा एंगल बनता है? ये राइट एंगल बनता है, तो आपको उसका नाम लिखना है राइट एंगल. नॉर्थ एंड साउथ, तो दिस इज नॉर्थ एंड दिस इज साउथ, तो दिस इज स्ट्रेट एंगल. साउथ एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट, साउथ and north west, so this one, so this is obtuse angle. ठीक है, ये वाला एंगल बनता है आपका, so this is obtuse angle. South and southwest, this is south and southwest means this angle, so this is acute angle. So children, this way you will do this question. Draw the following angles using a protractor. Name the angles correctly. 45-degree angle is given. Now you have to draw it using a protractor. Now this is a protractor. Now using this you will draw 45-degree angle. First you will draw a straight line with the help of a scale and you will mark a point at the end. You will take a protractor, and if you have drawn line towards the right side, then your 0 degree will be this, and you have to take this degree, not the upper one. जो नीचे वाले डिग्री हैं 0, 10, 20 ये वाले आपको डिग्री देखने हैं, ऊपर वाले नहीं देखने हैं, ठीक है। अब जो आपका ये वाला पॉइंट है, इस पॉइंट को आप यहाँ इस पॉइंट पर रखेंगे। दिस लाइन शुड बी स्ट्रेट। जो 180 डिग्री वाली लाइन है वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए। नाउ सी वेयर इज़ 40, ये 0 डिग्री है, 40 यहाँ है। अब आपको 45 का बनाना है, तो जो 50 और 40 के बीच में जो है पॉइंट ये वाला, यहाँ ये है 45, यहाँ पर आपको एक पॉइंट बनाना है। ओके, केयरफुली you will connect this 2 points. Clear children? This way you will make 45-degree angle. So this way you are going to connect both the points, and then you are going to write here 45-degree with the symbol, and you are going to give the name. Any name you can give, like I have given A, B, C. So this is angle A, B, C.